So, we're leaving now, guys. We're leaving Chestnut Mountain Resort, and then may pupuntahan pa kaming isang destination. So, follow lang tayo. Follow the leader. Follow the leader lang tayo.
Behind.
Yan ang leader. Follow lang tayo kung saan tayo dadalhin ang ating mga gulong. Right? Horseshoe Mound. Oo, kanito giingon ni Irish ang ato daw sa Horseshoe Mound.
Kambing.
Saan ka raw punta sa Islagan? Speed
Pre.
limit 10.
Katay ba tayo ng kambing dito, pre? Pilditi, oh. Okay na.
Right now, guys, we are at Horseshoe Mound. Still here in Galena. So let's see what's in store for us in this area. Horseshoe Mound Preserve. This is children's adventure. Come on down, guys. Parang overlooking. Dito na lang pala tayo kumain na, hindi pa mahangin. There is what they call panoramic view. Meron siyang cute na upo-upuan, oh. Maganda siya. Wow. Maganda dito, guys. Oh. Yeah. It's overlooking. Look at that. up.
I saw an eagle.
An eagle?
Yeah, I saw an eagle. Let me see.
Oh, look at them. Nice. Overlooking, oh.
Guys, I see a house.
Oh, there is really a trail.
I see a farm. I see a
Finna go down over there.
bird. And an eagle.
Meron palang trail. Pwedeng bumaba doon, ah. So, dito yan, guys. Magandang view. Maraming ding tao. Alakalain mo. Kaya mo, walang pumupunta dito. Pero, ang dami nga, ah.
Ganda kanina yung ano nila na nalapit sa church.
Daddy, Michael is scared. If mommy will go up there, maybe Michael will not. Maybe Michael will not be scared if I go up there. So, ayan. Tapos na kami dito. Paalis na naman kami. Pupunta naman kami sa ibang destination. So, ito na. We're just showing you the Horseshoe Mound Preserve. Really nice. Really nice dito. No, kasi mahangin na siya. Mahangin na. Alright. Ay, grabe ang hangin, oh. Oh my gosh, mahangin talaga. Tingnan mo, oh. Nagliliparan ang mga dahon. Ayun. Mahangin. Ayan, may ambon na. Ate Fam, you hold Michael. Ito naman kami sa ibang destination. Pabalik na kami sa mga cars namin. Ayan. Lumakas ang hangin, guys. Masyadong lumakas ang hangin. Tingnan mo, oh. Lumakas ang hangin. Nakakatakot. So, we are now leaving Horseshoe Mound Reserve. And then, pupunta na naman kami sa ibang ibang lugar. See you there.